Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this lovely 70s makeup look. I love the way it turned out. I have my little hoops in, feeling very ready to go boogie. This is my second video in my Decades of Makeup series, so if you haven't seen my first one, go check it out on my channel. I did a 60s inspired makeup, and now we're in the 70s, and you guessed it, next we're gonna do the 80s. So please keep on watching if you want to see how to get this look right here. Okay, so here we go. I have my Elton John tour shirt on. I figured it was appropriate. And I'm going to show you guys what looks I'm going to go off of for today. So I have this one and this. I know they're like two totally different things, but here's my thought process. So I really want to do this liner in my inner corner here. And I think I'm just going to buff out like blue up here. I don't know. I think it'll be good. 70s-ish. I've been jamming to 70s music all day, so it's been fun. Yeah, the eyes are pretty much the big part is what I'm seeing when I looked through different looks. Like plain lip, not a lot going on the face either, so maybe it'll be quick. I don't know. Watch it not be quick at all. Okay, so let's zoom in and yeah, we'll start with the eyes. Okay, so scary. So I had a pimple right here. Just need to address that. Okay. I'm gonna take the KimChi concealer in white, kind of like we did, not kind of, exactly like we did for the 60s, and that's going to be our base for all the eyeshadows. All the eyeshadows. Oh my god, there's like only one. Well, we'll see. I don't know what I'm saying. I had to take Benadryl in the middle of the day because I was having an allergy issue, so if I sound insane, it's because I kind of feel crazy. Okay, so yeah, we'll take the white concealer and put that down as a base and then set it with the kimchi powder, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to start with the blue shadows, and essentially I'm going to just place the shadows above my crease and leave my crease alone. Oh my god. I'm going to put the shadows above my crease and leave my lid like totally blank for now. And I'm going to start with a blue out of the Rainbow Shards palette, that blue right there. Blueberry, very appropriately named. And I'm going to start to just kind of create the shape that I want for above the crease. Something I noticed in my last video when I was editing it is like I speak really quietly just because there's people in my house and I'm like kind of embarrassed. But then it comes off like I'm bored, or I don't know. I just like don't seem as excited as I am. So I'm going to try and be less embarrassed and speak up so you guys can tell that it's fun to do makeup. That's so lame, but it's true. These kimchi shadows are so pigmented. I only dipped in once and it's already giving me like that perfect blown out blue color. We're bringing it all the way up to the eyebrow because 70s, hello. Okay, now that we have our base blue on, it's really light. I'm going to take a little bit of a darker blue and focus it lower but still not hitting the lid space. And surprise, surprise, it's a kimchi shadow. It's from the Two Queens One Desert palette, and it's called Oasis. Ooh, let's see, it's this one right here. I'm gonna take this more precise brush, just a little smaller, same idea, it's like tapered. I'm gonna take that shade Oasis and deepen it a little bit. And then go back with the other brush with nothing on it and just buff it again. Just really like blown out blue moment. And I think I need to incorporate glitter today because disco, hello. I lied, that wasn't the end of the blue. I'm gonna go in with that first blue one more time on a bigger brush just to make it lighter because that blue is a little dark. I'm gonna take this giant fluffy brush Put the shade Blueberry on there and, you know, swirl it around. I am kind of like tapping just to get, you know, that blue really to pop. And you don't have to worry about over here because we're gonna wipe that. Okay, this part I'm really excited about. I'm taking this KimChi Pearls Gone Wild in Hope. It's so pretty and it's perfect for this because it has like a blue reflect. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Oh yeah, you can. I think it's perfect. So I'm gonna put it up here, just make it really shiny. Oh yes. Can you guys see that? I don't know if it's coming off on the camera. It looks so pretty. Oh, I love it. So next I'm going to kind of make the lid more white. I'm going to take the primer potion. Oh, my shoulder just snapped. From Urban Decay. Just to kind of like prime the, oh my god, and take primer potion and prime. So the white shadow sticks really well. Take a flat brush like this. And I'm going to dip into this white shade from the Juvia's Place palette. This really pretty white shimmery. Press that. See, it's like way better when you put down the primer. I think we'll do the inner corner. Oh my god, I just flipped everybody off. I think we'll do the inner corner liner first and then tackle the glitter and then the, yeah, that's the plan. I'm a little nervous about this part. I've never done the sharp inner corner before. I think I can do it. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D liner pen so it's nice and thin. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's just a nice thin pen. You can use whatever you want. Okay. Ooh. I hope this works. Okay, this one's better than this one. We can clean it up. Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get for right now. It's so hard. Okay, let's just move on to glitter and we'll come back to this moment. Since I'm gross, I have the same brush from last week that I'm gonna take the glitter glue with. I'm gonna take this Trixie Cosmetics glitter in Marshmallow. It's really cute. My NYX glitter glue on my flat brush. And I'm only putting it in the middle. Okay, I think I'm gonna do my skin next because I don't want to mess up any foundation. No, I don't want to mess up like my outer liner if I did my foundation second, so let's zoom out and do the face. My camera overheated. But y'all have seen me do my foundation plenty of times, so that's all I did was my foundation. So I think we're going to continue with the eyes and do the outer liner. Let's do it. And we need to fix that disastrous inner liner. Okay. Gonna do the same tattoo liner, and I believe it's a wing, I think. I'm gonna say it's a wing. Okay, that liner is like really making this shitty, so I'm gonna use a pot liner. Okay, much better. I use the L'Oreal gel liner on a really teeny brush, and it helped. She has white underneath this, so let's do that. I'm gonna take the white milk pencil from NYX and go with my waterline, but kind of stopping where we've already got the black. Then taking the black gel liner and going under the white. And we are going to smoke that out so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and lashes, and then I'll be back to finish up the look. Okay, I think it looks so pretty with these little lashes, and I have my brows on, and then we're gonna add blush. I have the Not About You palette from Trixie Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this second shade right here called Plush Bunny, and we're gonna just like lightly put that on the outer area of the face. Really focusing it like up there. And I think we'll use the same blue toned highlighter up here. This. And the lip's really neutral in the picture I found, so I'm going to use this Trixie Cosmetics lipstick in Bauble. I'm going to use their gloss as well in the shade Cream Puff. I think this will just kind of get it, you know, get it together. I'm gonna go finish my hair and put on a little outfit, and I'll be right back. And here's the finished look. I have my big hoops in, obviously, and I have my hair straightened, just down, ready to boogie on the dance floor. I'm having so much fun learning how to do all these different styles of makeup. Next week, you guessed it, we'll be going to the 80s, so get ready for a lot of teased hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys try this, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the other videos I'm going to be doing for this series, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!